We've been taught to believe that perfection is the ultimate goal in life. But what if I told you that imperfection is actually beautiful? Think about it, imperfections make us unique and interesting. Imperfection can also be delicious. And imperfection can be downright hilarious. Nature is full of imperfections, but that's what makes it so beautiful. Embracing our imperfections can lead to greater self-acceptance and confidence. Plus, let's be real, striving for perfection can be exhausting. And sometimes, imperfection is just more fun. So, let's embrace our imperfections and celebrate the beauty of being perfectly imperfect. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're already perfect just the way you are.